Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you Grand League winning teams for the basketball, how to create the best Grand League teams and how to get the first rank in basketball in Dream11 or whatever the fantasy application that you are using. So this is the interface of the team generator software which is available for cricket, basketball and football, and it is proven to be very effective tool to get the first rank, and many of our users have won lot of money by using the team generator software previously also, and it is a very effective and specifically built for Grand League winning. So first of all, there are a lot of sports available, and as I told to you that we are mostly concentrating on basketball and how to create the best and accurate teams for winning the Grand Leagues in basketball. So first of all, let's click on basketball team here, and after that there are a lot of options available. You can see generate teams and create series data, edit series data, and match result option is also available. So first of all, in order to create the teams, we need to click on generate teams option here, and after that there are a lot of fantasy applications available. We need to click on Dream11 and after that continue, and you can see there are a lot of series available, ongoing series. NBA is also available, CBA is also available. So first of all, let's click on NBA and after that continue, and you can see there are three types of generations here. You can see there are three types of generation types. So the first two types, quick small league and quick grand league sections, are for automatic teams. I mean, software will automatically create the teams for you. You don't have to do anything. You just need to give the number of teams you want to generate. Software will take care of everything and will create the accurate teams for you. But this is the third section, advanced generation section, which is a very powerful section in our software, because you need to give some of your predictions along with the software to create the more accurate teams to win the Grand Leagues. So first of all, let's click on advanced generation section here, and after that there are a lot of teams available. Let's click on any two teams and after that continue, and you can see there are a lot of teams available. You need to click on any two teams and after that continue. So it is asking for the match number, so you can give any match number. That means you can give any number, 1 2 300 500. You can give any number, because it is just for storing the team's purpose, because whatever the teams that are stored in the software, whatever the teams that are created in the software, those teams are completely stored within your device under that match number. So in order to see those teams after some time, you can use that match number to see those teams, and also you can check the results of generated teams, which is a very premium option available in software. So first of all, you can give any number. Let's see 3 as the match number. After that continue, and we need to choose at least 7 players from both the sides. So let's select 7 players from both the sides. So I'm going to select some players from both the sides. So I have selected some players here, and so likewise you can select any number of players. I have selected 12 players. I want to select more players again, and so I have selected 15 players from both the sets, and after that continue, and it is asking for the fixed player section. So if you want to fix any player, I mean, if you think any player is going to definitely perform well, you can fix that player. That means if you select any player in this section, that player will be there in every generated team. That means in every created team, that player will be there. So you can take, if you want to select any player, you can select, or you can also leave this section as 0 and after that continue. And this is the captain selection section. You can select the captain players. So for example, I want to select some of the players for captain selection. You can see I have selected 10 players for the captain selection. That means these 10 players are only be considered for creating the for becoming the captain in our created teams. So after that continue, and for the vice captain selection, again you need to select any some number of players. I want to select 8 players. So again these 8 players will be only the vice captains in our created teams only. So after that continue, you can select all the players, that is also fine. So you can see it is asking the partition strategy. So you can select all the 3 strategies, or if you think CHI team is stronger than the BOS team, you can select more players from CHI team. So likewise I have selected all the 3 options here, and after that continue, and it is asking the enter credit range. You can give any credit range. I want to give 90 to 100 as the credit range, and after that continue. And we need to select at least one strategy, but I'm going to select all the strategies available here. There are plenty of strategies available. Software covers all the combinations, and software internally uses lot of algorithms to create these teams, and all these teams are very accurate teams. So I have selected some of the strategies here, and after that continue. And we need to enter the number of teams you want to generate. You can generate up to 3000 teams, but you don't need that many teams at all. For example, if you want to create 10 teams, internally software will filter among thousands of combinations and will create them and will give you the 10 best possible teams to you. For example, here I want to create 20 teams, so let's click on generate teams here. So you can see the generated teams are successfully stored at match number 3, and all these teams are very accurate teams. You can see it is a basketball teams, and captain and vice captain is also there. You can see SP and PP is also there, and all these teams are very accurate, and all these teams are completely based on Dream11 rules and regulations. And so I have provided you the contact details to get this software. I have provided you the contact details in the description box below, as well as in the comment section below. You can check that out, and those who have interest, you can contact me. And this software is not only for the basketball, it is available for football and cricket also. And for cricket also it is a very good application, and many of our users have won lot of money. I have made lot of videos on the winning screenshots of our users. You can check that out in our YouTube channel. So first of all, you can see you can print these teams into PDF format. You can select the shortcut form. You can also see the analytics of the created teams. You can see all these are the analytics of how many teams a player is selected for captain, how many times a player is selected for vice captain, and what are the strategies that are available also you can see. So first of all, let's go to the home page, and again go to the football. Let's see what the generated teams are whether stored or not stored. Let's see whether we can see the teams are previously generated teams. So go for the basketball again, and we need to go for the match result option. So we need to click on match result option and the NBA, and we need to give the same match number that we have given previously to create those 20 teams, which is 3. We need to remember this match number, and after that continue. And you can see we have generated 20 teams, and the 20 teams are listed here. If you want to see those teams, you can see those teams. For example, if I want to click on see teams, so you can see all these teams are completely stored, and you can access these teams at any time. And I hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, please go ahead like this video, and if you don't like this video, that's completely fine. You can dislike this video, and thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard, stay in fight.